Pi Sigma Epsilon is a co-ed national business fraternity open to all majors that helps students develop professional and business skills no matter their career path. It's also a great way to meet other CSUF students and build genuine connections. Company tours, speaker panels, and corporate company partner programs are just a few of the many unique opportunities for PSE members to build valuable professional skills. Our organization strives to help students develop a network of peers and mentors that will aid students through their time at CSUF and open the doors to future career opportunities. PSE's community of goal-driven and ambitious members provides students with a network that will support and guide them far beyond their college years. We are always finding new ways to give back and get involved in our community. To be a true leader starts with being a leader in the community. Aside from professional development and philanthropy, our brotherhood is another important aspect to us. We hold social events all semester ranging from hiking and beach days to paint wars and retreats in Big Bear. These are a few of the many ways we like to celebrate our achievements together.